Aloha! Welcome back to my channel, Homeschool in Paradise. If you don't know me, my name is Magali and I'm the mother of two kids, Elijah and Camila, that are almost 4 and almost 6 years old. So we are starting our homeschool journey. So today I will be unboxing my package that I received from Usborne Books. So I just bought some books. We are in September and those books are for Christmas present. Don't say it too loud. The kids are in their bedrooms, they're playing Legos calmly, and then they're listening. I put the YouTube player card, so they're cutting out the sound a little bit. So we're gonna do this quickly, but we spent about $100. This is about using my budget that I always do for both of the kids, and then my mother-in-law bought it with us, so that's always nice. So we always buy Spanish titles with the company because we I really like those books, and then those are the hardest one that I can find. For English books, we have a lot from the library, and then I always get people giving me books as well. And then French, my mom brings them, and then when we go to Canada, when she sends a package, she usually always sends some books in French. And then my friends at homeschool that speaks French gives me a lot of books in French. So I am not a rep for the company, but I use to rep. I'm gonna put their link below if you are interested in buying them. So like I said, I really like those books, and I'm excited to give those to the kids. It's always like I need to hide them and then make sure they don't find them and then don't forget them as well. I always do this, buy gifts super early in advance, so it's a little bit less hectic and less expensive around the holidays. So let's turn the camera around and then let's open the box and show you what I got. Okay, let's see what we have. Take all of them off. Okay, so we have these two puzzles. So this one is going to be for my son. I really like it, this one. So 100 pieces he can do easily by himself. This one is for my daughter. So it has the 30 pieces. And then it also has some books inside. A book, I'm excited for this one. And then these three are for my son. He loves watching this show. I don't know if you've ever watched these. We watch a lot of documentary, and then this is really a show that he loves to watch. So these are going to be longer books. I know he's a little bit young to read those, but I know he's going to be really excited about reading them with my husband. And then same person. This is the manual to survive, so he's going to really like looking into this. Book. This for my daughter, the unicorns. So it has some stickers that she's going to be able to put here in the back. And then Holy Web, Shine, Breath Mincing Out. I don't think I ordered that. Maybe they put a mistake. I don't think I did not order that, but it's okay. We'll check. We have these one here. What is it to be good? So it has some flap that they're going to be able to open up. So these are always nice. Nice pictures. Take care about the planet. It's about the human body. So with the puzzle, that's going to be perfect. So they can learn about the human body. Nice pictures. Oh, this one, yeah, this one is for both of them. So the lemur that is sleepy. So I wanted some books that were a little bit easier as well to read, because sometimes at night we want to have a short book, and this one seems pretty nice. This one I'm super excited. So the atlas, the Grand Atlas, so they can learn about the world. So we always look at our map, and then we love to learn about the different countries and then the animals, and also we learn the flags. So South Asia, And then Africa, North Africa. That's a really nice book, so they can be learning a lot of things. These 4 books are what I'm super excited. I'm actually going to give them one today because this is when they go work at the batting cage with my husband. My husband works there 3 nights a week. They go there because I work and I cannot take the kids. And they're going to be able to learn things. So this one is traveling. There's little places that they can take the crayon and then go over it. And then this one is to learn the time, so they can learn it as well with my husband Spanish. They can write. So I love that there's little books for them to learn in Spanish. This one is counting and buying. So we've been working a lot about counting. They have their own money and then they buy things on their own. Nice. And then this one is learning about adding and subtractions. So they love doing math, and I'm excited for them to have a little book like this that they can bring and then just color and write on it and then erase it. Okay, so that was all the books and the puzzles that I bought for the kids' Christmas present in 3 months in a while. So I was happy to show you all those books, and I would love to hear from you guys. Do you buy books, and what kind of books do you buy? Where do you buy them? Or are you more at the library? We have a lot of books, but I'm always happy to buy more books, and we still go at the library about once a month or twice a month. But yes, and then make sure that if you've learned anything in this video to like this video and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. And yes, so until then, I will see you next time. Mahalo. Thank you for watching.